Today's tutorial is all about bringing your creative assets from Photoshop right into Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end of this video, you'll see just how easy it is to import your layered Photoshop files, and why that can open up so many possibilities for your video projects. Whether you're working on custom graphics, animated titles, or just want to have full control over your visuals, knowing how to connect these two powerhouse programs is a must for any digital creator. Let's get straight into the process. Imagine you've created an image or graphic in Photoshop. Maybe it's a multi-layered title sequence, a custom logo, or even a complex frame with different visual elements. The first thing to do is save your image as a PSD file. This might sound basic, but it's a crucial step. PSD stands for Photoshop Document, and saving in this format means all of your layers, adjustments, and effects are preserved. Unlike JPEG or PNG, which flatten your image, the PSD keeps everything exactly as you built it. So, in Photoshop, just head up to File in the menu bar at the top left and click on Save As. Here, make sure to select PSD as your file type. If you see options for layers or compatibility, leave those checked. Premiere Pro can read them. Give your file a clear, memorable name, especially if you plan to import several assets later on. And just a quick tip, keeping your Photoshop doc organized, naming layers, grouping important parts, really pays off when you bring it into Premiere Pro, so don't rush this part. Once you've saved your PSD, it's time to hop over to Adobe Premiere Pro. If you've already got a project open and ready, great. If not, take a moment to start a new project or open an existing timeline where you'd like to add your Photoshop file. Now, let's bring in that PSD document. There are a few ways to import files, but the simplest method is to just drag and drop. Navigate to where your PSD is saved. Maybe it's on your desktop or in a project folder. Then click and drag it right into Premiere's project panel. Alternatively, you can go to File and Import if you prefer working with menus. Here's something cool. When you drop the PSD into the timeline, Premiere Pro actually recognizes your layers. Depending on how you import, it'll give you some options. You can treat the PSD as a single, flattened image, or you can bring each layer in separately. This is super useful if you want to animate parts of your graphic, like having text appear one word at a time, or moving individual elements for dynamic motion graphics. If all you need is the whole image at once, go ahead and drag the PSD file from the project panel directly onto your timeline. You'll instantly see it show up as a video clip that you can position, resize, or animate just like any other asset. And that's really it. You've successfully connected your Photoshop workflow to Premiere Pro. The best part is, if you ever want to make changes to your graphic, maybe update some text or switch out an image, just go back to Photoshop, make the adjustments, save your PSD, and Premiere will update automatically. It's a smooth, professional way to work that saves tons of time in the long run. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you use this technique, and of course, subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.